Over the past several years, a greater emphasis has been placed on the mental health of firefighters, police, and other emergency services providers. With the chaotic schedules, lack of sleep, burnout, traumatic episodes, and general stress of the job, firefighters and police officers face a myriad of physical and mental challenges related to the job. When you add into the mix the incalculable number of everyday stressors that life outside the station throw at us, sometimes we all need a little help. To help assist with these challenges, the Employee Assistance Program was developed. The EAP is a confidential employee benefit program designed to assist City of Dallas employees in resolving a wide variety of personal problems that may impact job performance, physical health, mental, and emotional well-being. EAPs have traditionally been associated with assisting workers with issues such as alcohol or substance abuse. What most people do not realize is that they also cover a broad range of issues such as child or elder care, relationship challenges, financial or legal problems, wellness matters, and traumatic events such as workplace violence or PTSD. These programs are delivered at no cost to employees by standalone vendors or providers who are part of your comprehensive health insurance plan. Many of these services are often delivered via phone, video-based counseling, online chatting, email interactions, or traditional face-to-face conversations. These services are available not only to the employee, but also to anyone who shares the same house as the insured member. This can include the employee's spouse, children, cohabitating partners, parents, or anyone else who lives at the same address. These services are provided regardless of inclusion in the member's health insurance plan. Apart from the services provided by the Employee Assistance Plan, employees should also know how to access their EAP benefits. Currently, our EAP is provided through Cigna, and they offer 2 ways to initiate EAP services. Their website offers a streamlined and convenient portal to access the desired services, and they also have a 1-800 number that can be used when access to the internet is unavailable. EAP services are not currently accessible through the MyCigna app. EAP benefits can be accessed at www.cigna.com. Log into the website using your username and password. This will take you to the Cigna home screen. From there, hover over the third link designated Coverage. A menu will appear below, and you will select Employee Assistance Program, EAP. This will direct you to Cigna's EAP webpage. The first thing you will see is your coverage period, as well as an indicator of who has active coverage through the EAP. As mentioned previously, anyone who shares the subscriber's address is covered. This does include a nanny, a parent, or even an in-law. Next, you will notice a general disclaimer and a link that will explain Cigna's commitment to confidentiality, as well as an explanation of cost factors surrounding the services provided by the EAP. In the middle of the page, you will notice 4 categories: emotional health and family support, home life referrals, financial and legal assistance, and job and career support. We will begin with the second topic, home life referrals. Here you can request referrals for child care, elder care, adoption, pet care, home repairs, and much more. This will also address parenting questions. The 2 options are chat with us and see work-life resources. If you wish to chat with someone, there is a green speech bubble in the bottom right corner of your screen titled Talk with Us. This button will open a chat window to discuss your needs with an EAP counselor to help you assist in selecting the right option for your needs. This will be the same icon you will use in the other categories for the chat option. It's important to understand, however, that the resource and referral assistance provided on child care, elder care, pet care, and other resources of this nature does not cover the cost of the services themselves. The See Work-Life Resources will take you to Cigna's Advantage Engagement webpage. There you will find a myriad of online resources for a wide variety of topics, including online seminars, informational articles, online forums, and volunteer opportunities. The Financial and Legal Assistance option provides you calls with financial consultants on debt, budget, identity theft, retirement, and a variety of other financial matters. All financial consultation assistance offered by phone is covered at no cost for questions and concerns throughout the year. However, this is not a financial coaching program. You can also receive a no-cost half-hour conversation with a network attorney. These 30-minute consultations are provided per legal issue and do not include employment-related matters. If, after your initial consultation, you decide to retain the network attorney, you will receive a 25% discount on legal fees. The final option, job and career support, allows you to discuss career growth, obtain tips for managing workplace stress and change, along with other issues. You can utilize the Chat with Us option, schedule a call with an EAP consultant, visit an EAP counselor. This option will be discussed in further detail shortly. And you can also access Cigna's Advantage Engagement webpage, as with the Home Life referrals. The first option is Emotional Health and Family Support. This option will help you learn how to manage stress, address depression and anxiety, cope with illness, and adjust to life changes. You can also get help with marriage and relationship issues. There are 3 choices in this category: Chat with Us, schedule a call with an EAP consultant, and finally, the Visit an EAP Counselor option will allow you to research a list of providers and treatment clinics with licensed personal counselors covering a wide array of mental health issues. Each eligible person is allotted up to 5 visits per issue per year. There are 2 choices when selecting the Visit an EAP Counselor option. The first link, Find an EAP Counselor, allows you to locate counselors in the Cigna Behavioral Health Network for a face-to-face visit or video session. When you click this link, you will be taken to a screen where you will select the specific issue you are seeking assistance with. Identify the issue and click Next. This takes you to a list of therapists near the zip code of the address you have registered with Cigna. If you click on Edit next to the identified zip code, you can change the target area to an address, city, or zip code of your choice. You can also refine your results by adding specific parameters to narrow your search. You can specify if you would like to visit with a male or female therapist. You can also identify the specialty or type of therapist you wish to see. The default spoken language for all therapists is English. However, if you or another covered individual wishes to speak with a therapist who is fluent in another language, that can be identified under Additional Languages Spoken. Next, you can identify any additional specialties the therapist addresses or restrict your results to a specific age range needed. The age restriction typically applies only to pediatric specialties, since most therapists treat anyone over the age of 18. Finally, you can select the ethnicity of the therapist you wish to see. Bear in mind that the more items you select, the more restricted your results will be. Not all therapists have identified their ethnicity or gender on Cigna's website, so if they have not identified those criteria or any other criteria you have selected, they will not show up in your search results. Once you've selected the desired options and click Apply, the selection list will then be adjusted. On the left side of the screen, you will see the list of returned therapists, clinics, and treatment centers. On the right side of the screen, you will see a map that identifies where they are within your selected area. You can click on the provider's name to see a more detailed description along with other useful information. Once you've selected the provider of your choice, you will need to access their website or call their office to schedule your appointment. Be sure to verify their address, since not all profiles are updated by the providers. And when scheduling your appointment, notify them that you are using your Employee Assistance Program benefits. Finally, you will need to provide your provider with an EAP code. This will be obtained back on the same page where you initially selected to find an in-network counselor. The second link, Get an EAP Code, is found under the Don't Forget Your Code. When you click on this, you will need to provide all requested information, and the system will generate a unique identifier code for each specific issue. You must write this code down and take it with you to your first appointment. This is the only way that the provider can submit charges to the EAP. Don't forget, The EAP provides 5 free visits per issue per year. This is not strictly a one-time use situation. If you aren't tech savvy or you find yourself in a situation where you don't have internet capabilities, you can access the Employee Assistance Program 24/7 by phone at 1-800-244-6224. A representative will help you with locating the assistance you need. There are times in life when we feel we just can't win. Often, pride gets in the way, and we tell ourselves if we just give it a little bit longer, it's all going to get better. Sometimes it does, but unfortunately, there are times when we all need a little help. The Employee Assistance Program is there to provide you with a variety of options for a vast array of issues. There's no charge to use it, and it's available to anyone who lives under the same roof as the primary subscriber. If you or anyone you know could benefit from these services, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for your time, and remember, be safe, be smart, and never stop learning.